maami bi anka wawo ntaa anka wo de ne brɛ me si asi akosi agwa aboaje wawo ntaafo momfa ne mra no wo mechi me so memfrɛ me ma mechi hwe Fako 21st clinic na Dr. Sestos ne doctors ahodo a wo mo branches ni nyinaa no wo mo nhyew e ma wo ho ntɔw 21st clinic sciatica yare no wo mo na ye expert ankasa wo mo na timi to ase wo mo na ye mu research a se ye ho atoye na massage bi e be ye wo no wanantu no wo se ne wo to ase no e be gina ba bi e gina watimi dia kokoduro no waye wadwuma nanse wontimi ntena se nanse woda wontimi na wachi nanse wona mana wo togu so nanse nkrofo se wada ne yarefo enye wo eye 21st clinic se bra na ye sciatica no e na aye wo saa na sciatica no de wo mu beto ase eye ayaresabia yare bia nso wo mutimi sa eti say ye moja broso say ye diabetes anasa de awo mu say ye stroke wo fa ba bi na adwodwo eno nso say wo de ba 21st clinic a doctor for ne nurse for mba ye ho adwuma na wo mo aboa wo eti say wo hwehwe ye branches no edoso mo a mo won kran ha no Tantra Hill Runabout ni etua ho wo bo se billboard na ebo ho se wo firi amasaman e na eba e wo won sabonkum so e na wo firi achimata mo e na eba na wo fo Tantra Hill no so a e wo won sanifa so ya mentwa runabout no aka kre bia mo du runabout no so no won sanifa so ho a wo hye ya wo de hye ho no a bo sampa 21st clinic nie ana sa wo temanso Roman Catholic asafo no anase Roman asafo no ne nchen ho na wo kasuafo obom kwan so new market ye nie 21st clinic nie sa wo komase a ehwan overseas edan no a ye headquarters Sompa 93.1 FM wo mu no sa dan no a ene wom ena sunyane for original hospital first gate no ene ne din hwani mu tachimanfo enya bayire nko na wo ho GN bank dandada no ho nso so 21st clinic nkrabata ba ko ho enkranza mensew nom ho na mikunu firi ho nso sa wuduru ho no a wo mo ben children's park no wo mo gire mu ankasa takwa ene Roman stores no edin hwani mu sa wo takrade nso a afie kuma number 9 taxi station takrade wo mo bo adwuma 21st clinic ebi wo brekum goso oboase ene miyama bebre enti wodi an se wo be frɛ 0540311311 eye common number eye 0540311311 0540311311 yenko 0540 eraimo 311311 na eno ano na wabro wafrɛ wo frɛ ya 21st clinic for be boana sa sciatica no a aba akosua ye me ma mi bi osa akosua ye se sciatica o meto ase mentini nam se ma me na wukuta pomai bra wo de ba 21st clinic a ye be hwe won tentam abasa ha so mikatente ama ho ato eti efri usisi efa wo to ase fa wo srem no wanantu besi wo nanse no sa yare no se nya wo na ebubu a na ehawa na wunya excruciating pain na chese eye sciatica na wo ma bi wo mu yem adwuma no eye 21st clinic enti frɛ wo maami bi wo papa bi wo nua bi wo dofo bi wo kunu wo yere wo ba bi na wo complain se nansen wo transia na ne to ase ne ya nansen ne sre achi wo no etutu no nansen na nantu emu tutu no nansen ne nanse enti ne mu echi no eka ne dwea wo se wo mfrɛ 0540 311311 0540311311 still 21st clinic womu ye sciatica expert womu ye sciatica originator womu ye sciatica pace setter womu ye sciatica commandant womu ye sciatica researcher womu ye sciatica alpha and omega the beginning and the end entibra na yentu yade na se emaw apamda dan ya adwa munsom na
ade ba ko a ye wo wiase ene sa obesika atere wadwuma mu anasa oniema begu pot na wonya sika mfa nkoyie na adane wadwendwen eno nti na wo se wonya sika kra bia obeboa ma wadwuma na atumpon Jabinira Bank PLC ene wani daso yen asampa loan e wo homa wona wo pabesia I import won niema ana auto part eniema woduo bia e ma motontuma ana entade sa akwanye wo homa obi bia se obeba Jabinira Bank na oni abehwehwe nkomo na yen asampa loan de yenyi collateral yenyi commitment fee de wo hia your application letter ye begina so dana e de loan ama wo interest rate na ekitiwa bi obapa loan scheme e wo homa emergency for maka mo ho abom se ekuo na mo recognized institutions na mo bese modwuma enyine kwostro eno ne qualify mo motum baji loan na make I will say interest rate ni ekitiwa bi ya wo savings account current account microfinance shares susu dachinti investment group loan fixed deposit ene de ekika ho Jabinira Bank PLC yen head office for Asante Jabe yen other branches ni bi so e wo ejoso Roman Hill Adesheman Pankrono Magazine Road Abuaso Fumesa Onye Sipetimpom Bonre Jabe ene yen new officer ye bie no Atonsu market ebe Kumasi High School Junction phone 0271409340 and 0544745856
Jabinira Bank PLC
among the best.
It's admission time for the 2025-2026 academic year.
And St. Andrew Senior High School is calling on all those who want to rewrite their WASSCE.
If you failed one subject, two subjects, or even more, St. Andrew Senior High School is the right place for you. If you want to better your grades and finally get the results you've been working for, come to St. Andrew Senior High School. This year, every student passed with straight A's, 100% success, 0 failures, and you can be next.
Over the years, St. Andrew Senior High School has been the #1 best private school in Ghana with excellent teaching staff and ultra-modern facilities that provide students with perfect environment for studies.
We also provide comfortable and secure boarding facility to make your study experience even better.
And here at St. Andrews, students never fail. So hurry and enroll now. At St. Andrews Senior High School, we say perseverance leads to success.
Yankai enyom wahami ansa ekeka so baako eba na wose me kra kanfo awurade na me mu ade gyina kanfo didi konkon no me kra kanfo awurade e ma me rem free ne ya panyina ono na ode me mfonso nyina free me na osame yarewa nyina oje me nkwafi damuamu na ode adoye ni mbobrohun bomi abotri omame masetena mu nepa na matena se from ne ahoden so se okori na okan kinkan so nsia na awrade bu wona wo hye won so bem awrade bu wona wo hye won so bem na oma won chefa International version say NIV to say, praise the Lord my soul, all my inmost being. Ya dane ho ase era say yenim pefe se e kire so sedanya obey. And the situation is not going to be permanent, for God supersedes every problem. Nyame bro eye adeswane konanda biade downfall. And I joy, knowing that your God liveth, knowing that your God is going to take care of you. When it passes, Yamitiasi, then I may you more, Yami you were for yourself was no medium, the pestilence of the enemy. And I pay, say, I mean, the Asinamano, and I say, Yenny, so obey ye. About spinning, Sarah, take. Obey a be their mind. And apart from we know that all things work together for the good of those who love God and those who are called according to his purposes. I'll pay you fast. A baby we ask too much. A baby you will such a said ye nas ye besia. A baby, our request is so much. I said, that cry a fire, Miami. Dear, there be I a bissan here. I will be our grass on cry. And I saw sending people about by a day, Yamiasia. Or said that dear, but I said, I'm quite a Miami. We was at Tiafas and Radi, and when I school fees you, and then you made you cry by. But the psalmist looked to Nini come and near fair. I never cry, I mean, you know, or done it once. Here are the Dassi. Yet him so obey ye. Yet him so obey Abba so. Yet him so obey Diabaye. Yet him say, I'm a fresh school fees over salvation. We thank God for things that he has not even started doing. Yet then we ask what they might cry or shall see or you. That is the beauty of it. I'll pay. I shall be my small father. I may be a friend of Mark A. Cooper. Or you'll be a true bookstore, Yam Sayoma. He says something which is very good and very important, and it's dear to me, I heart. As I have a party kind of everything, or say, a reasono, any idea be a remote. A reason in the idea be a remote, or say life has no remote. Get up and change it yourself. Or bra ya boy a reasia you way. A brad dear Mr. Remote at TV, I walk me, put me chimp now free walk, put me chimp now back to her. Abrabon, son at you. Abrabon, I as a remote too. Like I said, and I'm a chimp aquatua. I remember me, I will so visit. I say, and in your fair, that will be me so, or brad in the Bibia at Tessa. Life has no remote. Or brand in the BBA, ye chinchim no. Say, oh, how do I change it? And then, Miss Phyllis said, there, me $100. That, what me? That $100 number. And then Miss Phyllis said, me kwa bruche, no, me. No, Obra no any bibia etisa remote. Na no kwasame won pa ne se. Bibia wo pese esi, bibia wo pese happy no. Wa kasa na so sore otoso na age sansesan ye ne ba. To obra de remote amiemi aso. Any remote umiemi aso na wakase TV mami dum no na wadum no. Obra ya me boy ena me pese kamenya na kame wo Johannesburg na wa mia ara na de ya de o mami mia na hode mra era akwara fees o mia na ba dabi obra ni remote bi a chesa nyankropon na obo ni wiase wa anye ne sa oyare sa de bia no wan kasa wo pa hye wonsa no obesori afiri utoso na wakoye sa de. You gotta wake up, you gotta get up and do whatever you gotta do. At the end I was so here. I was a wild casa na so toso na koye sa adie. Obrano and sesa. Eni bibia yemi aso na ma obrana sesa. Bibia ye pese sesa wo branim no ejina yen ankasa so. Anything we want to change in life has no remote control. You got to change it yourself. I was sadia the white casa and I was sadia. Once a sana, there is no automatic adjustment formula. There is no remote that is going to do that for you. Bibiani wa and one casa say, my sister and your one casa and was a son. To a branding ya one casa na besan. I pay you we say, may the peace of our Lord, which surpasses all understanding, be with us this morning. We say, Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum salam. It's a Monday morning, it's a blissful morning, it's a good morning to all of us. Your friend Kwame Nkwantabisa, about from Nkwantabisa, I pay yatinasi, a huge alert, Kwame Jaku Jam. Sasro Barbara Sujinum, I don't pay your sum. Kevin Mo, Ulysses Munina, I ready, and in with Jidam giddy. I almost so etching feed this. I don't pay your bar. A dime be a collapse. That dine on Nipper was share mood the old name at the Bemau. I came in 2020 of Fanco building be a booster. A dear news you through. I don't pay your bar. They become home and some more. Excellency John Rabani Mama Bepi. Na obai no and right there ni see and also your mouth. There's a lot that is happening on pay Orlando Mbetra see na yaba and also ye benya boche na ye di ho enkomo. This is the biggest breakfast in town. Table no so pa. I don't pay ye be di komo pa and so everyone checheku ho. Road minister the contract you honsem no I don't pay gua ye be kan ho asem. Say ye promote local near grow Ghana tourism. And then was here. So I'm ready Orlando. I am ready on in your ember. Or serve us. I'll pay my 9 home this year.